Glad to have you here. Today, we're delving into an essential topic: signs of liver damage and how to safeguard this vital organ. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying our bodies, metabolizing nutrients, and aiding digestion. However, it's also susceptible to damage from various factors. By understanding the signs and implementing protective measures, you can ensure the well-being of your liver and overall health. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fatigue and weakness. One of the early signs of liver damage is persistent fatigue and weakness. When the liver is compromised, it struggles to filter toxins effectively, leading to a buildup of waste products in the body. This can leave you feeling constantly tired and lacking in energy. Number 2. Jaundice. Jaundice is characterized by yellowing of the skin and eyes, and is a common indicator of liver problems. It occurs when the liver cannot adequately process bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced by the breakdown of red blood cells. Jaundice can signal various liver conditions, including hepatitis and cirrhosis. Number 3. Abdominal pain and swelling. Liver damage often manifests as abdominal discomfort and swelling. This may be due to inflammation or the accumulation of fluid in the abdomen, a condition known as ascites. If you experience persistent abdominal pain or notice swelling, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for evaluation. Number 4. Digestive issues. The liver plays a crucial role in digestion by producing bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats. When the liver is damaged, digestive problems such as bloating, nausea, and diarrhea may occur. These symptoms can significantly impact your quality of life and indicate underlying liver issues. Number 5. Changes in urine and stool. Changes in urine and stool color can also indicate liver damage. Dark urine and pale-colored stools may suggest a problem with bile production or flow. If you notice any unusual changes in your bowel movements or urine, it's essential to seek medical advice promptly. Number 6. Skin problems. Liver damage can manifest externally through various skin issues. These may include itching, eczema, and spider veins. These skin changes often result from the liver's impaired ability to detoxify the body and regulate blood flow. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your liver health, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Your support means the world to us. Now let's dive into the ultimate guide on how to protect and support your liver. Because let's face it, this hardworking organ deserves some serious, tender, loving care. From diet tweaks to lifestyle changes, we've got you covered with everything you need to keep your liver happy and healthy. So, grab a pin and get ready to supercharge your liver. Number 1. Eat clean, live green. When it comes to liver health, what you put on your plate matters more than you think. Load up on fruits, veggies, and whole grains to give your liver the nutrients it craves. And don't forget the greens. Leafy powerhouses like kale and spinach are like fuel for your liver's fire. Number 2. Hydrate like a boss. Water isn't just for quenching your thirst. It's also essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your liver in top form. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and watch your liver thank you with a happy dance. Number 3. Go easy on the booze. We get it. A night out with friends can be a blast. But excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your liver, leading to serious damage over time. Practice moderation and give your liver a break. It'll thank you for it. Number 4. Move that body. Exercise isn't just for sculpting those abs. It's also great for your liver. Regular physical activity helps improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support liver function. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Your liver will love you for it. Number 5. Say no to smoking. We all know that smoking is bad for your lungs, but did you know it's also terrible for your liver? Tobacco toxins can overload your liver and increase your risk of liver disease. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your liver and your overall health. Number 6. Watch your meds. Some medications can be harsh on your liver, especially when taken in excess or over a long period. Always follow your doctor's instructions and be mindful of potential side effects. When in doubt, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure you're keeping your liver safe and sound. Finally, your liver is your body's ultimate multitasker, working overtime to keep you healthy and thriving. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can give your liver the love and support it needs to. Keep doing its thing like a champ. If you're ready to take charge of your liver health, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content on staying healthy and happy. Remember, your liver is counting on you to be its superhero. So let's show it some love. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome.